Alright, we're going to see if we can drill some or mill some holes here for making a bobbin holder for sewing machine bobbins. This should produce 6 holes that are 0.23 inch diameter to fit some just undersized 1/4 inch dowel. First we set the tool height using the electronic tool setter so that every time I change a tool it gets the correct height. Then the spindle starts up. And off we go. So nothing too fancy here, 8700 RPM with just a 3/16 milling cutter. And that way I don't get any tear out in the top surface. I didn't bother putting the water pump on because this isn't going to task the machine at all. This is looking like it'll take just over 2 minutes, and not too big a mess, and that's about it. Next off is cutting some dowels and gluing it up, a bit of sanding, and this project will be done. And assembly has begun. The whistling in the background is the furnace. Thankfully I have the furnace in my workshop, so heat is not an issue in the winter. And here we have the assembled unit. So just nothing complex, but it's the first item to actually be manufactured on this machine that isn't for the machine. And this is the finished item with a couple of bobbins on it and my very complex design sketch